Welcome to Echo Speak English. Today we're going to give you the very first, most important words you need to start a real conversation.
And you know what? It's probably a lot easier than you think. Ready? Let's dive in.
So the first thing to remember is this simple idea. Learning English doesn't start with grammar, it starts with vocabulary. Isn't that a relief? It means you can actually start speaking today without getting bogged down worrying about every single rule. Exactly. So how many words do you really need to get started? Well, take a look at this number, 100. And get this, just 100 words make up about half of all the English we speak every single day. Learning just a few of these gives you so much power to communicate. Now, we're not going to learn all 100 today. Nope, we're going to start with just 15. Think of these as the essential building blocks for your entire English foundation. All right, so let's get started. You know, every conversation starts with people, right? That means we need words for you and for me. Okay, first up, to talk about yourself, you say I. Listen, I. Go on, you try it out loud. I. Perfect. And to talk to someone else, you say you. Listen again. You. Now it's your turn. You. Excellent. The next word is. It's such a tiny word, but it's so important. We use is to describe one person or one thing. For example, he is a doctor, or the house is big. And the partner to is the word are. We use are when we're talking about more than one thing, like they are friends. And here is a super important rule to remember. With the word you, we always use are. It's always you are. Okay, let's practice them both. First, is. Now, are. Great job. Excellent. So now you have the words for people. What's next? You need words for actions. These are the words that really bring your sentences to life. Our first action word is have. This just means you possess something. For example, I have a pen. Let's say it together. Have. Next up, go. This word is all about movement. We go to the store. Repeat after me. Go. Then we've got do. Do is for all kinds of actions. What do you do? Your turn. Do. And finally, get. This means to receive something. I get a gift. Let's hear you say it. Get. Okay, now let's talk about feelings. First, like. You use this for things you enjoy. I like music. Your turn to say it. Like. Next is want. This is for something you desire, something you'd be happy to have. I want pizza. Say it with me. Want. Okay, now listen closely, because we're going to compare want to need. This is a big one. Want is a desire, but need is something you absolutely must have to survive. You need water to live. You want a new phone. See the difference? Let's practice. Say want. Now say need. We are almost there. Okay, first is can. This is all about ability. I can do it. Your turn. Can. Next is know. This is for knowledge. I know the answer. Say it with me. Know. Our next word is say. Pretty simple. This is for speaking. Please say your name. Your turn. Say. And our final word for today is make. This means to create something. I make breakfast. Let's hear it. Make. And just like that, you know all 15 words. So, what now? Well, this is the really exciting part. It's time to put all these building blocks together and see just how powerful they are when you combine them. Making a sentence is actually pretty simple. You just follow these 3 steps. Step 1, start with a person, like I or you. Step 2, pick an action word, like want, like, or have. And step 3, finish your thought with one more word. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's try it out. Look at this first sentence. I want coffee. See? It's got a person, I, an action, want, and a thing, coffee. Simple and perfect. Now you say it. I want coffee.
And here's another one. You are my friend. It's so clear and useful. With just these few words, you can already say so many important things. It's incredible, right?
Okay, you've learned the words, you've seen how to build sentences. The final step is to turn all this knowledge into a real skill. And there's only one way to do that. Practice. So here is your challenge for the week. We want you to make 5 new sentences using these words. And here's the key. Say them out loud every single day. This is how you build real confidence, and trust me, you'll be so surprised how fast you improve. You did an absolutely amazing job today. You now have 15 powerful tools to start speaking English. The only question left is, what's the first thing you want to say? Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next explainer. Thanks for watching.